Guys, welcome to IITC channel. We are going to see element number 6, contractor. This is one of the strongest element of PSM system. You might have gone through other elements of PSM system. If not, please find out the other elements of PSM system on IITC channel. We have published all the elements available for you. You can go through at per your convenience. In this element we are going to see following points, but not limited to: why contractor needs to participate in the PSM. Number 1, do contractors need to be trained in PSM? Number 2, number 3, are contractors responsible for an accident? Gentlemen and ladies, my humble request, please subscribe and press the bell icon, and please also send this link to your friends, professional friends, your company group and WhatsApp group. So guys, now basic thing, we need to understand the difference between occupational safety and process safety. Let us start with occupational safety. As you guys know that occupational safety focuses mainly on preventing the personal injuries. Personal injuries here means leg injury, finger injury, hand injury, face injury, eye injury, and any body part injuries. And this occupational safety can be measured as per the OSHA's standard in LTI, lost time injuries or lost time accidents. FR means frequency rate, SR means severity rate, FSI means frequency severity index, etc. Normally, as you know that occupational safety or occupational accidents are high in probability. They are always in high numbers. That means failure frequency, accident frequencies are more. But severities compared to the process safety is low. I don't say that it is low in terms of, let's say, there are fatalities in terms of any person working at height. If he falls from the height, he may die, unfortunately. So in that perspective, I am not saying, but yes, in general, the severity of this occupational safety or occupational related accidents are low. Let us go ahead for process safety. Guys, as you know that the definition of process safety, as per the name, it is a safety of process, means process safety. Primarily it means of LOPC, loss of primary containment. So it is a process safety is a systematic approach to prevent potential release or LOPC or loss of primary containment. This looks entire processes beginning from the material, equipment, systems and product. It is measured in a different aspect like alarm rate, corrosion rate, flow rate, leak rate. In these terms it can be measured. So if you see in terms of probability, these process safety events are very less in terms of probability, but the severity is very high. When I am saying severity is very high, that means it can kill many people at one point of time, because this is process safety related event. Anybody and everybody who is in the contour of high fire, high radiation, high exposure zone, he will be affected and he may be killed. So that is why the severity is very high. Severity in terms of fatality, severity in terms of production loss, severity in terms of reputation loss, severity in terms of financial loss. So guys, let's go ahead. I hope by now you understand the basic concept of occupational safety and process safety. In this slide probably you will have clearer information related to process safety versus occupational safety. If you see this graph, this is y-axis, this is the x-axis. Here in this y-axis you have got MAH, major accident hazard. Hope you are able to see my cursor, and down below is a slip, trip and falls. So this is the accident category, and in x-axis this is the likelihood or frequency. In the beginning this is unlikely or very unlikely, and there is a high possibility or high possibility. If you go and see and refer this slanting line which is light blue, Here it is a personal safety, means occupational safety. If you go down below here, so that means it shows that it is high probability, high in numbers. The same time, if you see the corresponding x-axis, this is the sleep, trip, injuries, and this kind of injuries. So that means this graph shows that personal safety or occupational safety, the possibility is very high, whereas the severity is low in compared to the process safety. Now we are talking about the process safety. If you see here, the process safety here, it is very unlikely in terms of the frequency, in terms of the likelihood, but the severity is MAH, major accident hazard. When we say major accident hazard, that means this event can kill many people at one point of time. It has huge impact on production loss. It has huge impact on facility damage. It has huge impact on financial loss. So guys, this slide is very good slide to understand the definition as well as the difference between process safety versus occupational safety. Guys, I know that you are going through this video. You may be having any question or any suggestion. I would encourage you to please participate in the comment section so that we can come back to you with your queries ASAP basis. So guys, process safety, again you are here saying that process safety involves the prevention of leak, equipment malfunction, and over pressure, corrosion, metal and fatigue. This deals with process characteristics of pressure, temperature, flow, level, and all these things. So the essential elements are, we must know the processes both physically as well as technically to understand complete process safety. So this is what is process safety management. We will go through line by line, one by one, each element, so that you have got very good information regarding process safety management as well as all the elements of process safety. This will see the analyze the process hazard. This is a PHA. PHA is one of the element of process safety. I have created one small video, small presentation only for you. Please search on IITC PHA. You will find it that you get very good information regarding PHA, process hazard analysis. Now we have to also deal with the maintenance, because maintenance is the reliability, availability, and maintainability. Manage and communicate over the life processes. We have to see complete life cycle of process safety in this management system. Guys, as I have told you that this is the sixth element of the PSM, is the contractor. I have highlighted with a red font, if you are able to see my cursor here, and other modules are available on IITC channel. You may feel free to go for the other module as per your convenient time. So guys, PSM has very important requirement what we must follow for successful implementation of PSM. The contractor training has to be performed and contractor has to be involved who are performing following jobs like maintenance or repair. This PSM system should be implemented on this: turnaround, major renovations, special work on or adjacent to a covered process area, inform contract employees of known hazards related to work, obtain and evaluate information regarding to the safety performance. Guys, see, contractor has become now part and parcel of our activity. There is no company in the world, I can tell you more or less, that who does not use or who does not employ contract laborers. So many company has offloaded or outsourced their activities for day-to-day basis. So that is why contractor has become our important element and part and parcel of our processes. They must be identified, they must be participating in all the element of PSM, they must be trained, they must be retrained, they must be provided all the process related information regarding operation, regarding emergency, regarding safe escape, regarding safe evacuation. So guys, these are the very important informations I have tried to provide you in very small time. I hope this was useful for you. Now you know the answer of these questions. Feel free to answer this question. Why contractor needs to participate in the PSM? Now you know it. Do contractors need to be trained in PSM? Of course, yes. Are contractors responsible for an accident? What is your answer? Please write down in the comment section. I will come back to you with my opinion. Guys, I hope you liked and it was good information for you, and please feel free to put your opinion, your comments, your requirement in the comment section so that I can come back to you. With this, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.